For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. Fans were surprised when Salman and Aishwarya both showed up at the Big C Entertainment Awards. Ever since their breakup years ago, the two have avoided any form of contact, but now after years, the two were spotted attending the same event. Despite this, they didn't come face to face. Ash also bagged the Most Entertaining Actor award for her performance in Sarabjit. Ash also skipped the red carpet in a bid to avoid any contact with Salman. Well, it seems that our hopes to see the two reconcile have clashed and the two are totally averse to seeing each other. Sad, isn't it? So what are your thoughts on Aishwarya Rai Bachchan avoiding Salman Khan years after their breakup? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Salman Khan Ventures is now a part of Amazon Prime Video, and now we can see all his movies beginning with Tubelight. So after the theatrical release, one can see Salman movies on Amazon Prime Video before it gets its satellite release. Amazon Prime Video has announced this, and this worldwide content is a great deal with Salman Khan Ventures. Indeed, this is a phenomenal deal, and now we can have the exclusive streaming of all future movies of Salman Khan. Tubelight was the recent Salman Khan release, and we did feel it could have done better. Maybe Amazon Prime Video would bring about a renewed interest in the flick. Salman Khan is getting ready with his upcoming Tiger Zinda Hai, which is a December release this year in 2017. We are sure excited to see it in Amazon Prime Video. The Big C Entertainment Awards 2017 was indeed a night to remember. Power-packed performances, awkward hugs and a lot more. Well, one more thing made us raise our eyebrows. Salman Khan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan were both present at the duo. It is truly rare to see the two attend events together ever since their breakup years ago. The two have avoided all contact with each other, but now it seems that time has healed all the wounds, and while Salman is supposedly dating Romanian beauty Iulia Vantur, Aishwarya is a proud mom of a little girl and a bahu of the Bachchan clan. Well, so does that mean that we may soon see the Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam couple pair on screen once more, or do we have to be content with just seeing them in the same venue? We have already reported how the team of Tiger Zinda Hai had a grueling time shooting at Morocco, and when this difficult schedule was complete, the team deserved a big celebration. And so filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar and the entire team, including Salman and Katrina, had a special party. The tiger and his tigress seems to have had a blast as they enjoyed till the wee hours of the morning. Truly, a much-deserved break before they gear up for the last leg of shooting in Abu Dhabi. Slated to release in December this year, Tiger Zinda Hai speaks about the story of Tiger and Zoya, the two spies from India and Pakistan raw. Yes, it's a sequel to the very famous spy thriller Ek Tha Tiger, and will take the story forward from where the story of the two lovers ended. Now this is something we really look forward to. What about you? Hrithik Roshan would soon be out with Krish 4 in the end of 2018. Yes, Rakesh Roshan is almost done with the scripting and would begin the flick in January 2018. Set for a Christmas release, Krish 4 would be clashing with SRK's film with Anand L. Rai and also Aamir's Thugs of Hindustan. Well, that is quite an event for Don't We Like to See clashes, and then to see which movie is the better one. Hrithik and his dad Rakesh sure brought in the concept of super abilities and cartoon characters in Bollywood with the Krish series, and kids surely are in for a treat with the fourth sequel, Henna. Meanwhile, Hrithik was seen in the movie Kabul, which was indeed a Sara Hatke flick from his kitty. Now with his dad behind him, we are sure that the combination is going to be a whacker as in earlier cases. What do you feel? Do let us know. Shah Rukh Khan was seen holding his younger kid Abram at the airport, and it made a cute sight indeed. Also seen was Anushka along with the father-son duo. Well, we do know that SRK is getting ready with his upcoming Jab Harry Met Sejal, and perhaps the lead pair were amidst their promotional tours. We did see Shah Rukh in a dance reality show, and one is but smitten by his modesty and humility when he is on a public platform. Anyway, we also love watching Abram, who is the darling of all King Khan fans. Shah Rukh is also busy with his film with Anand L. Rai, where he would be playing the role of a dwarf. This is a 2018 Christmas release. But for now, get ready for August 4th to watch Jab Harry Met Sejal with the Rapni Banadi Jodi pair in the lead. A couple of days ago, we had reported that Saif Ali Khan, wifey Kareena Kapoor Khan and his little munchkin Taimur Ali Khan had embarked on their annual Swiss vacation. Their airport pictures did make us smile, and now this picture straight from their vacation is surely going to leave us speechless. Here we see how proud Pa is carrying Taimur in his arms as he poses on the gallery, planting a loving kiss on the Nanhi Nawab's forehead. The backdrop of the Green Mountains and the clear skies only add perfection to the already perfect picture. Truly, this picture is priceless, but it would definitely have been more complete with Bebo in the frame, don't you think? Moni Roy is quite busy shooting for her debut film Gold, where she will be starring across Akshay Kumar. News was that Moni had bagged this role thanks to Salman Khan's recommendation. Yes, it is true that Salman and Moni bond really well, and the two have been sharing stage quite often, yet the Nagin of small screen is quite miffed by these rumours, and she even clarified her stand on social media, stating that she had got the role purely on the basis of her talent, and she too had to go through the proper audition process before being finalized. Such rumours are an insult to her talent, and so Moni is quite annoyed. Well, recommendation or not, we though are glad to see Moni making her debut in Bollywood. What about you? Everyone knows that Salman and Katrina were a hot couple for quite some time before they parted ways. And now the two exes are sharing screen space in Ali Abbas Zafar's film Tiger Zinda Hai. The two have recently wrapped up the Morocco leg of their shooting and have since then returned. Pictures of the two bonding on the sets have often surfaced, and this didn't seem to have disturbed Ulia Vantur, Salman's alleged lady love. Ulia flew to Morocco to spend some quality time with her beau Salman, but it seems that she too could not handle the growing proximity between the tiger and his on-screen tigress, and so she flew back to India. Now, does this mean that Ulia has left Salman for Katrina, or will she patch up with the Bandra boy? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
भाई यहाँ जाओ भाई भाई पहले यहाँ पे फर्स्ट मार भाई एक मिनट यहाँ होल्ड करो भाई एक मिनट यहाँ होल्ड करो भाई भाई सेकंड बस सेंटर भाई स्ट्रेट भाई
बाइट चाहिए।
Okay. Good evening. Hello. I do. Thank you. Thank you so much. बहुत ही मज़ा आया है 25 सालों में। अभी तक लगता नहीं है कि 25 साल ख़त्म हुए। But yes, I can say by God's grace, hopefully I'll finish another 25. Let's see.
आज आपको शायद इसीलिए felicitated किया जा रहा है यहाँ पर।
बोल तो रहे हैं, देखती हूँ।
What it means to you?
Of course it feels good. अच्छा लगता है जब लोग आपके काम की तारीफ़ करते हैं और आपकी कामयाबी की तारीफ़ करते हैं, तो it feels good. I'm happy to be here.
What are your other expectations looking forward from the evening?
Too many questions about this one evening. What are my other expectations? No other expectations. I'm expecting to enjoy myself, honestly. What more can you ask? Thank you so much. I also think it's a very interesting topic. What can I say about it? I think you should be saying that to me, no? About what I think of the evening. Asking me about it is odd and strange. But thank you for the compliment. I don't know. I hope I surprise myself. अभी पता नहीं है, देखूंगी जो भी है. I hope I do it well. Thank you. बस हो गया. वो बहुत खुश हैं obviously. वो क्या बोलेंगे? I think they're just happy. What do I say? Ajay has also completed 26 years. I'm completing 25 years. And we're both very, very happy about it. Thank you.
Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif's Tiger Zinda Hai is going to be bigger. Tiger Salman and his tigress Katrina Kaif recently wrapped up the Morocco leg of shooting for their upcoming spy thriller Tiger Zinda Hai. And now the two will soon head to Abu Dhabi for a 40-day schedule which will mark the wrap of the film. The film, which has some really high-octane action sequences, is also full of romantic numbers in exotic locales in Morocco, Austria, Abu Dhabi and other places as well. The plot of the film is based on a real-life event and Salman reveals that it will be much bigger and better than Ek Tha Tiger and would be based on combating terrorism and a lot more. Slated to release in December, this film is directed by Ali Abbas Zafar and will mark the reunion of Salman and Katrina after 5 long years. Well, that's reason enough to watch the film, isn't it? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Salman Khan has become the face of the controversial reality show Bigg Boss. Sadly, the TRPs of the show were steadily dropping since the last couple of seasons, and so they added spice by including commoners competing with celebrities. Though the TRPs did witness a surge, but not a substantial one, and so the makers have now hit upon an ingenious idea to spice things up. Apparently, they have changed the concept of the show and will also have members of the same family compete with each other. Well, with this we can expect mother-daughter, brother-sister, husband-wife and many other family members compete in pairs. Wow! Now this twist will surely shoot the TRP high and unearth some really spicy gossip. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section.